In the meantime, Senator Rodante Marcoleta's current health status affords him to finally appear before the Sandigan Bayan and stay in detention whenever and wherever the court remands him. The summary of the embattled senator's physical and mental fitness indicating he is well enough to proceed to litigation of his indirect bribery and plunder charges. Our Carlo Candelaria on the senator's supposed arraignment today, which did not push through.
Shortly after 8 o'clock in the morning, Senator Rodante Marcoleta arrived at the Sandigan Bayan aboard a PNP coaster vehicle. Wearing a bulletproof vest and seated on a wheelchair, the senator appeared before the Sandigan Bayan 3rd Division for a hearing on the plunder charges filed against him over allegedly undeclared campaign donations. Also present at the hearing were his co-accused, former Anakalusugan Party List Representative Mike Defensor, as well as businessmen Joseph Espiritu and Aristotel Viray, who allegedly made donations to Marcoleta's campaign. Defensor, Espiritu, and Viray were formally arraigned and all entered not guilty pleas to plunder charges. Marcoleta, however, has yet to be arraigned as his motion to quash or request to dismiss the case remains pending before the court. The court also heard testimony regarding Marcoleta's medical condition. Philippine General Hospital Director Dr. Gerardo Legaspi appeared before the court to present the findings of the medical examination on the senator. The findings indicated that Marcoleta has no medical condition requiring continued hospital confinement, although doctors recommended that he be kept in isolation due to his current health condition. In light of this, the Sandigan Bayan ordered the transfer of Marcoleta's custody to the new Quezon City Jail male dormitory in Payatas. The PNP immediately complied with the court's order.
So today, may order yung 3rd Division, that commitment order na si Senator Marcoleta ay dadalhin sa New Payatas, Quezon City Jail. So we will be abiding with it. I already coordinated with the chief ng Payatas City Jail na dadalhin namin ngayon. Kailangan may isolated siya, di ba? Dahil nga sa karamdaman niya. And nakita naman na yung facility na yon, and the BGMP can provide with that.
From the time he arrived until he left the Sandigan Bayan, Marcoleta did not issue any statement to the media. The Sandigan Bayan 3rd Division has set the pre-trial of Marcoleta's 3 co-accused on August 10. For now, the 4 of them will remain detained at the new Quezon City Jail in Payatas while their cases are being heard. Carlo Luis Candelaria for The Nation.